What if your kitchen hid a secret pharmacy of nature's best healers that can boost health today and tomorrow? Step 1. A person starts each morning with warm lemon water to boost immunity and brighten the mood. Step 2. One drinks mint tea after meals to aid digestion and keep energy steady. Step 3. When hands ache or tension rises, a warm herb compressed with lavender and eucalyptus eases tension. Viewers are invited to try these tips and subscribe for more practical herbal insights.